paddleboarder's tale from Basingstoke to Calshot. It started with taps and a curious itch, a kayak or board I couldn't quite switch, specs and reviews in a digital storm. What shape would suit, what size, what form? Weeks of research, deep in the fray, inflatable hard shell, what's best to play? A midlife quest, not crisis or gloom. Just chasing the breeze and a little more room for Basingstoke's canal colonies, where joggers nod and swans retreat, to Calshot's coast with its bracing air, and salt on the wind and waves that dare. Here where Lawrence once paced the shore, testing boats for the EREF Corps. I stood with paddle, steady and proud. No splash, no stumble, no cheering crowd. For their sword like creatures unbound, their boards flew silent, skimming the sound. Alien dancers on watery stage, graceful and wild beyond my age. Some learners zigzagged, unsure of their steer, their wings caught gusts that veered too near. But we all shared that thrill, that spark, to ride the tide and leave a mark. And in that rhythm I found my peace, a quiet joy, a sweet release. To be with the water, the soil, the sky, is to let the noise of the world drift by. No crisis here, just nature's call, a paddle, a breeze, and standing tall. For body and mind, for soul set free, the coast became my remedy.